So, hello everybody. It is bonfire night, isn't it, Pops? So we've got a few fireworks. We're gonna toast some marshmallows. And if Poppy duck down a minute, Poppy. Poppy, duck down. Ooh. We got a nice warming fire going too. Right, shall we do some fireworks then?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just settling Annie, aren't we? Having a bedtime milkers.
Yeah. She can't wait any longer.
No, she's getting angry. Aren't you, Annie Mae? Hey? You ready for bed? Oh, what you got, Poppy? You writing your name? You writing your name? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go.
Oh my.
That's supposed to happen.
Whee! Woo! Whee! Oh God. Oh yes.
Whoa.
It's supposed to do that.
That's all part of the act. It's all part of the act.
What are we picking, Poppy?
This one.
What's that called?
There's two.
There's two.
This one.
Which
That
one?
one. Pearl shotter.
Hey?
Pearl shotter.
Pearl shotter. Woo! Oh, there you do. Woohoo!
Yeah!
Is that it?
Still going, can you hear it? Still going. Oh, it's not ours, is it?
Magic comic.
Magic comics.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
My bed. Hello!
That was the magic comic.
Next up is the outburst.
You have to run away quickly, Daddy.
You do. Don't trip over the hose.
Imagine that, running back, trip over the hose and then walking away. Light it, light it.
Here it goes. Oh.
Go, Daddy, go.
Oh. Oh. I'm not getting many of these. I don't know if they're going to go up or down.
Next up is the glittering shower.
Now, is it going to go up or down?
The only way
Glittering shower
the only way
makes us up.
the only way to go is up.
The only way's up.
Run,
Get to be showered.
No.
Oh.
Go in the sky already. Go in. Boo!
Boo.
I know what one next. This one. The other one inside the cat.
Blitzer. Next up is the Blitzer.
Does it look like one we've already had?
Same box that we've just had.
Right, so this one should be a down.
Do excuse the videographer.
What does that mean?
Excuse Guy.
Run, Daddy, run! Daddy,
There
run!
it goes.
Oh, look at the blitzer.
This is the same as the magic thingy.
Right, shall we have another one and then have a look at some marshmallows? If we don't knock them over.
This one.
This one.
This one.
The big one.
The big one.
The fantastic fountain.
Oh, what's these?
I don't know. Run, Daddy, run!
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Pretty.
So I lit the barbecue, thinking that'd be the best thing to do. I don't think it's hot enough. I think
No.
we need to go in the fire.
There's not enough coals there.
No. Right, to the fire. So we opted for bonfire for toasting.
Very sugar.
What do you think, Mummy?
What's that like? Daddy's speeding up the fire.
Just take it off.
Well, you don't really need your hat and your earmuffs, do you?
No. Well, they were rabbit. It.
So I don't know if you could see, we're currently toasting on the barbecue. Put some more coals on, so it should be better now. How's that, Mummy?
Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Armadillo!
So, this bonfire night, we're eating toasted armadillo. Or is it a marshmallow puppy?
A marshmallow.
Yeah,
What's an armadillo?
An animal.
An animal. Right, shall we do another firework?
I saw an armadillo before.
Yeah.
And it went running
That was
round,
him.
running, then it went back.
That's him.
Oh, where's that at? Was that at Yorkshire Wildlife Park?
Yeah.
Ah.
Daddy even sparkling that. Sparkle it. Sparkle it.
So this one
Sparkle
is
it.
called, quite simply, sunburst. I expect it to be like sunlight any minute.
So it'll probably be yellow and orange.
You think yellow and orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking yellow
And orange.
and orange. There it comes.
Oh!
Yeah. That's yellow and orange. Isn't it?
Oh, it looks like little stars.
That's yellow and orange. Isn't it? That was yellow and orange.
It was yellow and orange.
Yay! This one is called a sparkler.
Is it?
It is a sparkler, a TNT sparkler fountain.
Boom.
Boom.
Bang! The fountain orange. Run,
Thunder.
Daddy!
Now get ready for the
Catch you
boom.
again. That's not the same as the one we just had.
Makes a slightly different noise. They're all these specials, you know, these. We do have a finale firework, though, don't we?
Crackling shot.
Oh, this is going to be loud. I need another marshmallow. My fork appears to be empty.
My bed.
It's lit, Daddy. Oh.
Ready?
Oh.
just these two and the big one, Poppy. So I'll try and do these two together, shall I?
Them two together and then it's a gigantic one.
Wow.
What does the gigantic one make?
We don't know.
I don't know, but we're going to find out.
The gigantic one has a smiley face like a clown. Run, Daddy. Oh.
Was that 2?
That was 2.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh, we've all got fireworks. We've all got sparklers.
Let's go all together. Let's all go together.
All for one.
One for all.
My friends! Friendly!
How many you got, Mummy?
2.
2.
3.
3.
I am the sparkle diamond. I'm like a fire eater.
Go on then.
Yeah. Down the marshmallow. Have we actually filled you full of sweets?
We're toasting.
There was a massive spark just flew above your head from the fire.
You're saying you've never had toasted marshmallows
Never had
before?
toasted marshmallows, no. Quite divine.
Mm.
You need some crackers and some chocolate. And you stick one in the middle and you got a small. Never had them either.
No. I can concur, Mummy, that toasted marshmallow is good.
Mine's not done yet.
What are you faffing at?
Let's go in there.
What? Say what? So, finale, yes. It looks like it's supposed to make a face. It's called an LOL. It'll likely be rubbish, but hey ho.
Hey!
Shall we go see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Come on, shall I light it?
Laugh out loud. There it goes.
Go blow!
Oh, there! Its eyes are flashing. See?
Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop.
Is it me or is that a bit freaky? Oh, they're failing.
Let's stop.
I can't do it anymore. I'm gonna die. Who's full of marshmallow? Would that be she?
Failed.
Failed. Is Mummy full of marshmallows?
But do another. Well, I am a bit full of them, but they're so good.
Marshmallow good. You pay try and choose all the sparklers up.
The fireworks, aren't we, Pops?
Is that where you are?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Eyes. These are my eyes.
They're your eyes?
You keep cracking. You got one eye too.
I've got one sparkly eye.
You must be a pear for her.
What's Mummy gonna go and do? Oh. I can't believe the pumpkins are still going. Apart from Poppy's that's starting to look a bit funny. Oh, Harry Potter's nose. His nose.
Harry Potter's nose.
Harry Harry Potter's nose.
It's like you're Voldemort.
Isn't it?
Who being Voldemort?
You've been Voldemort, Pops.
What do you mean?
Doing Harry's.
Lord Voldemort. Look what she's doing to Harry. Oh my.
Thanks for watching the Fletchers world.
Bonfire night special.
Hope you all enjoyed our fun and festivities. We'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.
Marshmallow! Woohoo!